Hi, I'm Nandini from Nucleus Links and I lead the sales team for UK and European market. Since the last 7 years, I've always been a publisher person. I love engaging with them, hearing about their challenges and finding ways to solve them together. Nucleus Links is an AI assistant for the operations team of affiliate publishers. The AI assistant helps affiliate publishers in day-to-day grind like identifying the best network, building links once approved, taking them live on the CMS, fixing dead and expired links, aggregating reports, and many such important but ridiculously time-consuming tasks. But it's not just about saving time. It also brings 30 to 120% of new revenue to your business. So essentially, it brings new revenue but also improves your team's productivity. In so many ways, a typical monetization workflow starts with setting up one merchant. Let's take an example of Walmart. They find an affiliate network, say Impact. So once this process starts, they have to log into the dashboard, apply for the program, seek approvals, sell their use case, get the links and set it live. This entire process can take up to 2 to 10 weeks for one merchant. Any affiliate manager manages at least 1,000 merchants. Doing this for 1,000 merchants can take a really long time. So now the Walmart setup is ready. Monetization start, but new networks reach out to the publisher for monetization. Network A could be a sub-network which has a lower commission rate but a longer cookie life. Network B could be a CPC network which has an amazing rate but caps on budgets and clicks. How does one decide which is the best paying network? And what if the best option keeps on changing over time? This is where Smart Redirects comes in. It empowers the publisher to test multiple deal types for a single merchant without losing their base revenue. The AI carries out efficient yield optimization on an ongoing basis at scale. So far, yes. Many publishers hold this notion that sub-networks don't pay higher than the primary affiliate networks. Many publishers have tested the sub-networks and realized that it's not worth their time. But sub-networks, when paired with smart redirects, can yield 30 to 120% of higher revenue. So the simple answer is yes. If implemented smartly, it can yield higher revenue. Here's the thing. Sub-networks don't have the capacity to buy 100% of your clicks for a given merchant. But they do have capacity to buy 10 to 50% of these clicks. Now for these 10 to 50%, their EPCs tend to be 2 to 10x higher. So Smart Redirects helps affiliate publishers optimize these fractional premiums.
Well, most don't because of the work involved. Onboarding, negotiating rates, tracking performance, managing invoices. There's a lot of work involved. To simplify this process, we created Network Plus. With a single contract, publishers get access to multiple networks. We do the legwork of negotiating rates, managing invoices, and do all the administrative stuff. But best of all, Network Plus seamlessly integrates with Smart Redirects, giving publishers access to immediate revenue for their existing merchants with zero hassle and zero downtime.
At its core, Network Plus helps publishers quantify the value that a sub-network can bring to their revenue before investing any time or resources on onboarding or managing these network partnerships. At its core, Network Plus helps publishers quantify the value that a sub-network can bring to their revenue before investing any time or resources on onboarding or managing these network partnerships. It helps you get data upfront on what's good before diving any deeper into it.
Network Plus is for all kinds of affiliate publishers like small publishers who want to monetize their traffic beyond just 1 or 2 networks. mid-sized publishers who want to go beyond their primary affiliate networks and leverage different monetization channels. Large-sized publishers who always get stuck with long legal, operational, and technical processes. If you are an affiliate publisher who wants to leverage the power of Network Plus, you just need to DM me your merchant list and we'll take care of activating all sub networks for your existing merchants.